In the previous tutorial, we have seen that how to perform the swapping of two numbers. So in that series, that how to write the logics in Python. Next topic is find the maximum and minimum numbers between two number and among three number, four numbers. So how to write the logic in Python, just we'll see in this tutorial. So first of all, I'll write a code by which we can perform the find the maximum number between two. So you can take the numbers from the user. I have already told you that how to take the user's input by using the input function. So I'm just writing two variables a and b. One value is suppose 20 and second value is 30. So if you want to find out that which one is maximum, so you can write that by using in the previous tutorial, I have already discussed one inbuilt function that is called the max. So we can use the max function to get the maximum number. So if I write like this, print and maximum number is, use the max function and pass a and b. It will tell you that which one is maximum. So maximum number between a and b, you can get the answer by using this logic. So you can see here the maximum number is 30. If I change the number, for example, that is 12, 212 and 345 and execute this one, then we'll get the answer as 345. So by this, you can get the maximum numbers between two. Suppose you have three numbers. So again, what you can do, suppose another variable is c and value is 34. So you just need to do one thing, that is pass another variable. So it will tell you that which one is maximum among these three values. Just look at here. So maximum number is 345. And suppose you don't want to print this value, you want to store the value and want to use somewhere in logic. So you can write like max is for example, m is equal max a comma b comma c, and after that you can print the value of m. Look at here. So you can see that we are getting the value and we can store that value into another variable. Okay. So I hope this logic is also clear to all of you, that how to get the maximum. Similarly, if you want to get the minimum number between two and more than two values, then you can use one more function that we have already learned, that is called the min function. So it is inbuilt function. You don't need to write your own logic. You just need to use this one. So we can write minimum number is, and we'll get the answer as 34. Okay, so I hope max and min function is now clear. If you have any program where you want to find the maximum and minimum number, then you can write this logic. Okay, so that's all for this video, that how to perform how to get the maximum and minimum number in Python program. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share your views. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.